Oats, the humble grain that has been a staple in diets around the world for centuries. Whether you enjoy them in a warm bowl of oatmeal for breakfast or use them in baking recipes, oats are a versatile and nutritious food that can provide numerous health benefits. One of the key reasons why oats are so popular is their high fiber content. Oats are a great source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which can help to regulate digestion and promote a healthy gut. Soluble fiber, in particular, has been shown to lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. By incorporating oats into your daily diet, you can help to improve your overall heart health and reduce your risk of developing cardiovascular issues. In addition to their fiber content, oats are also a good source of vitamins and minerals. They are rich in manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, and zinc, all of which are essential for maintaining healthy bones and teeth. Oats also contain a variety of antioxidants, including avenanthramides, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-itching properties. By consuming oats regularly, you can help to support your immune system and protect your body against oxidative stress. Another benefit of eating oats is their ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. Oats have a low glycemic index, which means that they are digested slowly and do not cause a rapid spike in blood sugar. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those who are trying to manage their weight. By choosing oats as a breakfast option or incorporating them into meals throughout the day, you can help to stabilize your blood sugar levels and avoid the energy crashes that often come with consuming high-sugar foods. Oats are also a great source of protein, making them an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans looking to increase their protein intake. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source that can help to support muscle growth and repair. Whether you enjoy oats in the form of oatmeal, granola, or energy bars, you can feel confident knowing that you are getting a good dose of protein with each serving. One of the best things about oats is how easy they are to incorporate into your daily routine. You can enjoy them in a variety of ways, from traditional oatmeal to overnight oats, smoothies, and baked goods. Oats can be a blank canvas for your creativity, allowing you to experiment with different flavors and textures to find the perfect combination that suits your taste preferences. If you are looking to add more oats to your diet, there are a few things to keep in mind. When shopping for oats, it is best to choose whole oats, such as steel-cut or rolled oats, rather than instant oats or pre-packaged oatmeal mixes. Whole oats retain more of their nutrients and fiber content, making them a healthier option overall. When preparing oats, be mindful of portion sizes and avoid adding excessive amounts of sugar or high-calorie toppings. Instead, opt for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, and add fresh fruit, nuts, or seeds for added flavor and nutrition. By keeping your oat servings balanced and nutritious, you can maximize the health benefits of this superfood. In conclusion, oats are a nutrient-dense food that can provide a wide range of health benefits when consumed regularly. From their high fiber content to their protein and antioxidant properties, oats are a versatile and delicious addition to any diet. Whether you enjoy them for breakfast, as a snack, or in baked goods, oats can help to support your overall health and well-being. So why not start incorporating oats into your daily routine today and reap the many rewards that this superfood has to offer?